Hello amazing learner, welcome back to the Zoom Chemistry Hub. Today in this video we will discuss the halogenation of benzene, that is the electrophilic aromatic substitution. So first we will discuss what is aromatic substitution reaction. The reaction in which hydrogen atom of aromatic ring is replaced by an electrophile is called electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. The benzene ring with its delocalized pi electron is an electron rich system. So it is attacked by the electrophiles, giving the substituted product. The catalyst most commonly used is acid, that is AlCl3, aluminium trichloride. The mechanism of electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction involves the three steps. The first step is the formation of an electrophile. So the Lewis acid polarize the Br₂ and form the strong electrophile. Step 2. The electrophilic attack, that is the red determining steps. The electrophile attack the aromatic ring to produce a non-aromatic carbocation called arenaimine or sigma complex. So the pi bond of benzene attacked by Br+ to form a sigma complex, that is the arenaimine. So benzene losing the aromaticity and placing a positive charge in the ring and delocalized over 3 carbons by resonance. So the intermediate arenaimine is resonance stabilized and is hybrid of the following 3 structure. This resonance stabilized carbocation is called the sigma complex because the electrophile is joined to the benzene ring by a new sigma bond. Step 3. The deprotonations and re-aromatizations. In the step 3, the intermediate arenaimine is non-aromatic species is unstable. It loses a proton to form a stable aromatic substitution product. So in the last steps, the aromaticity is restored, giving bromobenzenes. So the overall reaction is the substitution of a proton by an electrophile on the aromatic ring in the electrophilic aromatic substitution. The points to be noted here: the step 2, the formation of sigma complex, is the slow steps and is the high barrier steps. So it is the red determining steps. That's for all today, the learner. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Thanks for watching.